Hello everyone, this one is a quick and simple repair. So the first thing we're going to do is remove this trim. So this door lock actuator failed on this, so we're going to replace it. And this handle trim, you could just pull it with your fingernails. It's really easy. Pulls right off. Now grab your T20 driver and remove 3 screws. Now I'll go ahead and grab your door panel, and you could pull it just straight toward you. It should pop off pretty easy. Disconnect your inside door handle cable. You just pull down on it and then it just flips up. It's on a little hook. And this is your window switch here. So what you want to do is you want to grab a small flat tip screwdriver. Just stick it in there just enough to lift the tab, and then you can pull the connector off. Now you just set your panel aside. And now we're going to unplug the power to the actuator. So it's held on there by 2 clips, one on each side. So stick your fingers in and just squeeze the tabs and pull it straight out. These are the 2 tabs right there. And now you can start removing your insulator. I find it easier just to get a razor blade, and it helps you cut the glue. And pull off your door lock lever, button, whatever you want to call it. And get a T30 and remove the 2 outer screws that hold the actuator or latch assembly in place. On this third one here, I just like to loosen it so it's just finger tight, so you can reach inside there and remove your outside door handle cable, which I'll show you. Right there. This just pops straight out. I'm going to point to it right here. That little baby. Just pull it towards you. Just like that. And now remove the last screw, and you can take the actuator out. Now match up the actuators. Make sure everything looks the same. There could be some slight differences, like, you know, maybe you'll see the lever there is a little different color, but as long as everything lines up, you should be okay. And then just pretty much install it in the reverse order you took it out in. Just line it up. Get your 3 screws. These are the T30s. And go ahead and secure it in place. Then reinstall the inside latch cable for the outside door handle. That's what it should, that's its position right there. That's what it should look like. Now plug in the power supply for the actuator and get everything ready for the insulator. Put in your door lock button. And now reinstall your insulator. Like I said, this is a very, very simple job. Now if you broke any of your door panel clips, this will be the time to replace them. These clips are available on Amazon, by the way. You can buy a pack of them. I don't remember how much they cost, but they're pretty cheap. Make sure you plug in your window switch. Then hook up your door handle, inside door handle cable. Just get your button through the hole there, and then just line up the door panel. Just make sure everything's lined up with all the clips, and then you just pop it in place. And you can run your fingers along the sides like I'm doing there, and that way you can tell if it's seated all the way. Then get your 3 screws for the door handle or door armrest. These are the T20s. And put your trim back on. Just pops in place. And then of course, after you're done with all this, verify your repair, and that should pretty much wrap it up for you. Good luck. If you have any questions, feel free to post. I'll try and respond as quick as possible.